This is going to be a great program throughout Jammu and Kashmir. We can understand that the people of Jammu and Kashmir are eagerly waiting for this yatra. They will receive this yatra from their hearts, definitely, like other states. Especially, Indian National Congress has a separate affection towards Jammu and Kashmir. Our legacy, Kashmir's legacy, we know very well. Congress history is very much related to Kashmir's history. Therefore, definitely, entire country is looking forward for the Jammu Kashmir Bharat Jodo Yatra program. On behalf of AICC, I'm really congratulating the leaders of Jammu and Kashmir for the wonderful arrangement preparations. Coming days, I think, from booth to top level, every Congress worker will be in the field to make it as a grand success.
Sir, yesterday you met LG of Jammu and Kashmir.
Yeah.
So, did they allow the yatra to be conducted across Jammu and Kashmir?
This is a national...
Second, who are the leaders from NC, PDP and other parties? Are they joining this yatra?
This yatra is a national Padayatra. You people know that. September 7 onwards, we started this yatra from Kanyakumari. There itself, our leader Rahul Gandhi announced that, come what may, we will go to the entire route of this yatra till Kashmir, and in Kashmir, we will hoist the national flag. This is what our program, national program. Yesterday, we had a meeting with Lieutenant Governor Manoj Sinha ji. I think it was a very good meeting. He offered all sort of cooperation on this yatra. And certainly, I am very much happy to say that Farooq Abdullah ji, Omar Abdullah ji, Mahbooba Mufti ji, all are very big. Tariq Ahmed ji, all are ready to join this yatra. That is one of the happiest moments for all of us. All the leaders of Jammu and Kashmir will be joining in this yatra. Not only here, everywhere. All the like-minded people, those who are not believing this divisive politics of BJP and national government, is joining in this yatra. You know that the success of this yatra, you know that. Thousands and tens of thousands, lakhs of people are joining day by day in this yatra. Every day, the impact of yatra is increasing. Therefore, people of India is already taken this yatra in their hearts. That we can witness everywhere. Wherever we are going, they are now realizing the real face of Rahul Gandhi. You people know that how much damage this BJP and Sangh Parivar social media are doing against his image. That entire attempt has been demolished by the people of the country through this Bharat Jodo Yatra. Actively, we are finalizing the program so far. Tentatively, it will be around 22nd to 30th. Also very much concerned about the health of the people of this country and the COVID situation. Therefore, now entire this drama is created to stop the yatra. Flights are coming from China. There is no problem. There is no national level protocol suggested by WHO. Usually COVID, there is a protocol by WHO. You people know that. Not from India only. All times. Nothing is there. Then why the health minister letter only to Rahul Gandhi and Bharat Jodo Yatra? All the government programs happening everywhere. Gujarat, big mela is happening, participating lakhs of people. There is no letter. Prime Minister is going here and there and attending public meeting. There is no letter to the Prime Minister. We are ready. Whenever the government is coming forward with a strong guideline, supported by the expert people and WHO, we are ready to accept it.